Gonna head to the Muffler shop, get a quote. They want to see the Belvedere. So it's gonna be open header and loud, and I just hope that I don't run into any cops. And I also hope I don't break down because, you know, all the problems we had at the track. I haven't driven the car since, so we'll see what happens. Another way, but then I'll be back on a main road in a different section, so it's gonna be dicey, but I think we're good. I don't see him. He's gotta still be in there. Right, looked at the car, didn't give me a price. Wants me to bring it in Wednesday. Give me a price then. He wants to get a better look at it underneath the car on the rack. So it is what it is, whatever. Well, let's try not to get pulled over on the way home. right, so check this out. I was on a live with Jeremy on Ruben's Muscle City Madness, and I was also on Chris Albrecht's Talking Mopars, or we were, I should say. And Jeremy said that his Dart broke down. He took the car to work the next or following week or something like that, and the car actually broke down on the way to work. Fuel pump issues. It's like, man, this car just drove to the muffler shop and back with no issues. It's like, why couldn't it do that at the track? All it had to do is go down the freaking lane, and I think at least round 2 we probably would have beat Jeremy. I don't know. It depends how far he was from his house, right? If it was like an 1/8 mile plus from his house, then, you know, maybe we would have lost. But if he broke down a mile from the house, let's say, he probably had 4 passes on the track before he would have broke down. So who knows? Anyways, it's funny.